Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 hidden sins that many Muslims do without even realizing it. These are actions that may seem small or harmless, but in Islam, they are very serious. Make sure to watch until the end, because we all need to check ourselves. Let's start. Sin number 1, backbiting or ghibah. The first hidden sin is backbiting, or talking about someone behind their back. Many people think, it's just a joke, or I am only telling the truth. But Allah clearly warns against backbiting in the Quran. Do not backbite one another. Would any of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother? Even small comments about someone's looks, actions, or mistakes are included. Before speaking, always ask yourself, would I like it if someone said this about me? This simple question can protect us from this sin. Sin number 2, breaking promises, or lying. The second hidden sin is lying or breaking promises. Some people think small lies or excuses are harmless, like saying, I will come soon, and then being late on purpose. But Islam values honesty in every word and promise. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise. Always try to keep your promises and speak the truth, even when it is hard. Sin number 3, neglecting prayers. The third hidden sin is neglecting prayers. Many Muslims miss their daily prayers because they are busy, tired, or forget. But prayer is the first pillar of Islam. Skipping it without a valid reason is sinful, even if you make it later. Intentionally delaying prayers is not recommended. Try to set reminders or make a routine so you do not miss your prayers. Your connection with Allah is more important than anything else. Sin number 4, arrogance and pride. The fourth hidden sin is arrogance or pride. Arrogance is not always showing off wealth or looking down on others. Sometimes it is subtle, like thinking you are better than someone else, or refusing to admit your mistakes. Allah hates arrogance, and it can destroy your good deeds. Always remind yourself, everyone is equal in the eyes of Allah, and only He knows who is truly righteous. Sin number 5, consuming prohibited things unknowingly. The fifth hidden sin is consuming things that are forbidden without realizing it. This can include food with haram ingredients, earning money through interest, or using products from unethical sources. Even if it seems small, it can affect your deeds. Always check labels, earnings, and transactions to make sure they are halal. Making this small effort will keep your actions pure and accepted by Allah.